Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Samsung Galaxy Fold 2, for the first you have to get the application to transfer data. So let's go on the Android phone, and I'm going to download from the Play Store application named Samsung Switch. So let's type here Samsung Switch and get this application, and of course we have to do the same on our Fold. So let's get it. On this Android phone we can open it, accept all the permissions, and open it also on the Fold, and here we have to also accept all the permissions that pops on our screen. So click here to let's go, and we are going to use the wireless connection. Click OK, and here we are going to pick up the to receive data, and right now they are connecting, so we have to be patient and just wait. Click here to connect. Okay, right now we have to swipe on our Fold. So if you want to send all of the data that you have on this smartphone, you have to leave it like it is right here, select it, and then just click transfer. But in my case, it's only example, so I will go for the music, and I'm going to unselect all this folder, and I will take these two songs, then click done, scroll down, tap transfer. Data is transferring, so we have to wait, and as you can see it is finished. So right now we can go for our folder of the manager, Files Manager, and just go for the audio probably, and in the downloads we can find these two songs that we sent from the Android smartphone to our Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya!